If you spend a lot of time designing pages in Elementor, switching the editor to dark mode can make your workflow a lot more comfortable. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Elementor using the built-in UI theme setting. This is a quick and easy change, and it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up your WordPress dashboard and edit any page with Elementor. You can do this by finding the page you want to work on and clicking Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, you'll see the widget panel on the left side of the screen. At the very top left corner of that panel, click the Hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines icon. This menu gives you access to several editor options and preferences. From the menu that opens, look for User Preferences and click it. Inside User Preferences, you'll see a setting called UI Theme. By default, this may be set to auto-detect, which means Elementor will follow your computer's system theme settings. If your Mac or Windows device is already using dark mode, Elementor may automatically match that. But if you want to force dark mode on every time, even when your computer is using light mode, change the UI theme setting from auto-detect to dark. As soon as you select dark, the Elementor interface will switch to a darker layout, making the editor easier on the eyes during long design sessions. This is especially helpful if you work at night, use multiple monitors, or simply prefer a darker workspace. If you ever want to go back, just return to the same user preferences area and switch the UI theme back to auto detect or light, depending on what you want. So to recap, open the page in Elementor, click the Hamburger menu, go to user preferences, and set UI theme to dark. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled dark mode in Elementor in just a few seconds. If this video helped, please give a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.